Want to copy a website to another domain using Hostinger? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do it in just a few simple steps. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and share it with others. Open your browser and go to hostinger.com. If you are logged in, go to the website section and select Websites list from the menu panel. Choose the website you want to copy from the Business Web Hosting list and open its dashboard. On the next page, attach the website you want to copy. Then, go to the Website section in the menu panel again and click on Copy Website. Since the Copy From box will already be pre-filled with your main website, simply select the domain where you want to copy it. After choosing the destination domain, click on the Start Copying button. Hostinger will now begin the process, and in just a few moments, your website will be successfully copied to the new domain. That's how you can copy any website to another domain using Hostinger. Want to get a discount on Hostinger? Use my affiliate link in the description for an exclusive discount on Hostinger. If this video helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and share. See you in the next video.